Hello everybody, so today we're going to be talking about the StealthGear VentCore holsters. If you're like me, you have been looking for holsters, different ones to actually fit your needs, and this particular one, I think that this is it for me. I've been carrying it around now for the last few months and I absolutely love it. This particular one is the Appendix carry. And it comes in this great box. I love the box. I love to keep my stuff in the box until I can't use it anymore because the box gets all dinged up. Just easy to keep track of it. But basically this is in just straight black. This is the VentCore Plus One, so that you're able to carry an extra magazine with you. These belt clips here are movable so that you can cant them either way that you want or need to. And then for retention, you just literally just use your screwdriver and tighten it or loosen it as much as possible. The same thing with your magazines. So depending on what kind of firearm that you are carrying, if you have single stack or double stack, this is going to come in very handy here. And it comes all put together already, and it's actually handmade, which is another reason that I love StealthGear USA. This made in the USA, it's handmade. Now, because it is handmade, it takes about 30 days to get it, unless when you go ahead and order it, they have some already in stock for your gun. The other thing that I liked about this is that this is mesh, and if you can see, is very soft, so when it sits up against your skin, it's very comfortable. You don't feel it, and it is hard on the inside, so that when you put your firearm inside, you don't risk the chance of ND because of the mesh. Some of the cheaper ones that are out there, they do have the mesh on the back, but then when you look down on the inside and the front, it pushes all the way through, and it's basically just like wearing a t-shirt underneath, and that can get caught up in there. But these guys thought this out, made it 100% safe. It's hard on the inside. So this is my favorite thus far. It's riveted. I had to adjust it anymore, and I carry it pretty much every day. So this particular one here is for the subcompact XD9. And it comes in every gun that you have. So when you order it, you just tell them which one that you want for what gun that you have, and it's broken down for you, so it's kind of foolproof. It comes in urban camo, it comes in OD green, it comes in that Hex Cam Spectra 13, it comes in that Cryptek Typhoon, which is what everybody is kind of like fadding out about right now. The digital camo, it comes in that, and then this is always red in the back. Now, to see what it looks like, we have an empty magazine, and it just inserts right there. And then you have your empty gun, safety first, nothing in the magazine, another mag check, chamber check. And did you hear how it just clicked in? Listen again. And it just goes right in, and as you can see, it is molded and cut out for your gun, and then you can change that retention here, 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 and here, depending on what your needs are. And as you see, it's not falling out. That's completely upside down, jumping up and down, running, falling, whatever the case is, it's not going to come out till you pull it out and then insert it back in. So that's what I'm loving about this VentCore platform. It's got the integrated magazine carrier, has that sharing fastener with the firearm shell. It's black oxide stainless steel fasteners, so these guys are never gonna give out on you ever. It's, like I said, it's custom designed for each handgun model. It has 30 plus components, and it is hand built in the USA. So I am going to give you a quick look to see what it looks like in the appendix form, that you can see how it fits. Okay, so there you have it, the StealthGear USA Subcompact XD9. This is what it looks like. Very little, if any, to print at all with that extra magazine. And then this is what it looks like here. So you have your magazine in case you have extra need for it, and it just slides right back in there. And then that's what it looks like in case you need to pull. So you're just good to go. Inserting, and you're back on target. Putting back in is very simple. And then you're back on target. So there you go. I'm very happy with the StealthGear USA, the +1. Very comfortable. Recommend it 100,000%. So there you go. You guys take a look, and you guys have a nice day.